Take a look at Cat5e. The Cat5e fiber optics turned out to be especially affordable, costing less than $1 per meter for 2 segments. I casually purchased a batch to bury them, ready for both AC networking and Mac networking. 50 meters each of fiber optics and Ethernet cables. $200 for 10 conduits at $40. All settled for a total of $240. No, you're not reading this wrong. I threaded the cables before installing the conduits, because the wiring I did was all fixed, with right angle turns, and no elbows. The wires are exposed. All the connections are uncovered, without any tubing. In each of the 3 bedrooms, they're pre-buried within headboard or desk junction boxes. In the living room, the cables end in the sideboard's junction box. And finally, they all lead back to the low voltage box, where each line is coiled up and properly labeled. In my 3-bedroom, 1 living room apartment, spanning 100 square meters, if one wireless router could handle it all, the pre-laid Ethernet would be temporarily unnecessary. Otherwise, I'd contemplate setting up an AC network or a Mac network. That's a problem for another day. The Ethernet cables I bought fit precisely for my needs. Come, take a look at the wiring job I did. All of it is fixed with right angle turns, fully exposed. See here, the exposed right angles. Without any tubing, bare and visible. No tubing, straight angles laid bare. This is all my own handiwork.